In this episode, we have a Boba Fett concept. What's up, YouTube? This is Orlando. In this project, we have a design by Stomping Ground Cust. The shoe, an Air Jordan 4. The design, a Boba Fett. Check this out. Already catching my attention. Messy, but clean. Grungy, dirty, but on point. Look up close. This is just a mess. Let's already talk about the Nike swoosh that's added there, right? But just look at this piece of art. Taking the paintbrush and still defining details, but giving it that grunge, rust look, like things have been torn up and gone through so many wars or whatever you want to call it. Just, we have another photo, right? Take a look at that. We even got on the toe. You see how we have a little bit of this tear there? I thought that was brilliant. I'm sure that's intentional. And then, just look at the color blocking, right? So you got we have your yellows, your greens, and then you have the reds, right? But then you go in and you can see over each area on each piece, you have the black, like as if it was the oil being rubbed or the grease on your fingers. Just look at that. That added touch around this shoe is just brilliant. Adding the white to accent that too. Beautiful. I wish there were more photos of this, but you guys take a look. You guys tell me in the comment below if this is a cop or a drop, cold, fire, whatever. I think this is brilliant. Big fan of Star Wars, especially the Mandalorian. Love seeing Boba Fett come back to life, or he never died, but just being in the episode and then seeing iterations of this character being placed on all these shoes. So brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Just look closely. I've said this in another video, but it's a chaotic mess, but it's chaos under control. And this is one of those pieces I would love to wear and have on my feet. So great job. Can't wait to see what you come up with next. Well, that's it. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And please comment below and let us know what you thought about these kicks. Thanks as always, and see you in our next video on The Wall of Hype.